The year is 2025. Flying cars? Not quite. While we may not have achieved the sci-fi dreams of yesteryears, our world is still evolving at a breakneck pace. And no, we still don't have hoverboards like in Back to the Future. Colonies on Mars? Give it another decade. Space exploration is making strides, but we're not quite there yet. The Red Planet remains a distant frontier, a tantalizing goal for humanity's future. Elon Musk is probably still packing his bags. But one thing remains a constant in our ever-changing world, the allure of cryptocurrency. Despite the technological advancements and shifting landscapes, digital currencies continue to capture the imagination of many. And yes, your uncle is still trying to explain Bitcoin at family dinners. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. These digital tokens continue to fascinate investors and confound regulators in equal measure. The market is as dynamic as ever, with new players entering the scene and old ones evolving. It's like the Wild West, but with more memes. Today, we delve into the wild world of crypto, examining the latest headlines and exploring the opportunities and pitfalls that await those brave enough to enter this digital Wild West. From groundbreaking innovations to cautionary tales, the crypto landscape is a roller coaster of highs and lows. And yes, there will be drama. This isn't about picking winners or losers, it's about understanding the forces at play. The market dynamics, the technological advancements, and the regulatory challenges all shape the future of digital currencies. Think of it as a high-stakes game of chess, but with more zeros and ones. It's about understanding the forces at play. We'll dive deep into the mechanics of blockchain technology, the driving force behind cryptocurrencies, and how it's revolutionizing various industries. Spoiler alert, it's not just for buying pizza anymore. We'll separate the hype from reality, the signal from the noise, all while hopefully getting a few laughs along the way. The world of crypto is filled with both promise and peril, and navigating it requires a keen eye and a sense of humor. And maybe a stress ball or two. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get volatile. The journey through the crypto universe is anything but predictable. And it's this very unpredictability that makes it so captivating. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, there's always something new to learn and discover. And who knows, you might even get rich, or at least have a good story to tell. Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, the digital gold rush of the 21st century. Once touted as the future of finance, Bitcoin has had a roller coaster ride over the past decade. Soaring highs, gut-wrenching lows, it's enough to give even the most seasoned investor whiplash. But here's the thing about Bitcoin, it refuses to die. Despite countless pronouncements of its demise, Bitcoin always seems to claw its way back. Is it a bubble, a hedge against inflation, a haven for criminals? The answer, like most things in the crypto world, is murky at best. But one thing's for sure, Bitcoin's story is far from over. Speaking of things that refuse to die, let's talk about former President Donald Trump. Never one to miss an opportunity, Trump plunged headfirst into the crypto craze earlier this year with the launch of, wait for it, Dollar Trump. Yes, you heard that right, Trump coin. Now, we can debate the merits, or lack thereof, of Trump's presidency all day long. But let's be honest, the man knows how to brand. And what better way to appeal to his base than with a digital token bearing his own name? But as with all things Trump, Dollar Trump has been mired in controversy from the get-go. Just last week, the former president hosted a lavish dinner for the cryptocurrency's top investors, sparking outrage and accusations of impropriety. Critics were quick to point out the potential conflicts of interest, with some even alleging that foreign entities may have used offshore exchanges to purchase Dollar Trump, potentially circumventing campaign finance laws. Senator Richard Blumenthal has launched an ethics inquiry, and the White House has denied any wrongdoing. But as the saying goes, where there's smoke, there's usually a Trump tweet fanning the flames. Section 5. Strategy Inc. All in on Bitcoin's volatile waves. The cryptocurrency market is known for its extreme highs and lows, and Bitcoin is no exception. Its price can skyrocket one day and plummet the next, making it a risky but potentially rewarding investment. Now let's move on from the world of politics to the slightly less scandalous world of corporate finance. While politics can be a roller coaster, the financial world has its own set of dramatic twists and turns. Specifically, let's talk about Strategy Inc., formerly known as the software company MicroStrategy. This company has undergone a significant transformation, shifting its focus from software development to cryptocurrency investment. Once upon a time, they made software. They were known for their innovative solutions and cutting-edge technology. Their software products were used by businesses around the world to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Now they basically just buy Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin. This shift in strategy has been both bold and controversial, attracting attention from investors and analysts alike. We're talking over 2% of the entire Bitcoin supply. That's a significant amount considering the total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. This massive investment has made Strategy Inc. one of the largest holders of Bitcoin in the world. That's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for them. The company's fortunes are now closely tied to the volatile cryptocurrency market, and their success depends on Bitcoin's performance. Spoiler alert, it hasn't been pretty lately. The recent downturn in Bitcoin's price has had a significant impact on Strategy Inc.'s financial health, leading to substantial losses. Strategy's stock price is inextricably tied to Bitcoin's wild swings, making it a high-risk investment. Investors are closely watching the cryptocurrency market, as any significant movement in Bitcoin's price can have a direct impact on Strategy Inc.'s stock. And their recent earnings report showed a net loss of $4.2 billion. Ouch! This staggering loss has raised questions about the sustainability of their Bitcoin-centric strategy and whether they can weather the storm of cryptocurrency volatility. Section 6. BlackRock dipping toes in the crypto pool. On the other side of the spectrum, we have BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. Unlike Strategy's all-in approach, BlackRock is taking a more measured approach to crypto. They offer exposure to Bitcoin through their iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, but it's just a drop in the bucket compared to their massive portfolio. This diversified strategy means lower risk, which is reflected in BlackRock's strong first-quarter earnings. They're not betting the farm on Bitcoin, but they're not ignoring it either. It's like they say, slow and steady wins the race, or in this case, maybe just avoids complete financial ruin. Section 7. VNBTC Cloud Mining Promises and Pitfalls. Finally, we arrive at VNBTC, a company promising to make you rich quick through the magic of cloud mining. For a small fee, and by small we mean starting at $79, VNBTC will let you rent out their powerful computers to mine Bitcoin, with daily payouts and a $1 million bounty program. Sounds too good to be true? That's because it probably is. Cloud mining is notoriously risky and there's no guarantee you'll actually make any money. It's crucial to do your research and proceed with extreme caution before handing over your hard-earned cash to any company promising you easy crypto riches. Section 8. Navigating the crypto landscape. Due diligence is key. So, where does this leave us? The world of cryptocurrency is as volatile and unpredictable as ever. From Trump's questionable ventures to the contrasting strategies of Strategy and BlackRock, one thing is clear: there's no easy money to be made in the crypto Wild West, but amidst the hype and uncertainty, there are opportunities for those willing to put in the work. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of crypto. A gamble or a guarantee? As we look towards the future of cryptocurrency, one thing is certain: the only constant is change. The landscape of digital currencies is evolving at a breakneck pace, driven by technological advancements, regulatory shifts, and market dynamics. Every day, new projects emerge, promising to revolutionize the way we think about money, finance, and even governance. Yet, with these promises come risks and uncertainties that can make or break fortunes overnight. Whether Bitcoin will rise again to its former glory or crash and burn remains to be seen. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has seen its fair share of ups and downs. From its meteoric rise to its dramatic falls, it has captured the imagination of investors and skeptics alike. Some believe it will become the digital gold of the future, a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Others argue that its volatility and environmental impact make it unsustainable in the long run. Will Dollar Trump become the people's currency, or end up as a punchline in the annals of history? Only time will tell. The emergence of meme coins and celebrity-endorsed tokens adds another layer of complexity to the crypto landscape. These coins often gain popularity through social media hype and celebrity endorsements, but their long-term viability remains questionable. They serve as a reminder that in the world of crypto, not all that glitters is gold. But regardless of what the future holds, one thing is for sure. The world of cryptocurrency will continue to fascinate, frustrate, and potentially make or break fortunes for years to come. Investors, developers, and enthusiasts are all part of this grand experiment, each contributing to the ever-changing narrative of digital currencies. The potential for high rewards comes with equally high risks, making it a domain where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. So buckle up, hold on tight, and remember, in the world of crypto, it's always a wild ride. The journey is filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, and moments of exhilaration and despair. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, the crypto market offers a unique blend of opportunity and peril. Stay informed, stay cautious, and most importantly, stay curious. The future of crypto is unwritten, and it's up to us to shape it.